So I walk into my shop today to find a puddle of water in my floor. Yes, I have a leak in my ceiling that I have not been able to get fixed, and we got a lot of rain over the weekend. So this is the perfect time for me to try out my new ALORAIR commercial dehumidifier. Now I will say that this was sent to me by the company to check out and to see how it works. So I'm just going to give you my opinion on my first time using it here. I really like the fact that it comes with these two handles that is on the top of it. It makes it pretty easy to grab a hold and carry it in because it is a little bit heavy, just so you know. I mean, there's some weight to this thing. And before we plug it up, as you can see, this cable is actually pretty long. So this gives you quite a bit of length that you can plug this into a standard 110 wall outlet with a ground. And this also comes with a drain tube that is connected on the side of it that is Velcroed. That way it stays with the unit there nicely. Now you do get a user manual and a warranty registration with this, along with a big paper telling you kind of how to set up the Wi-Fi on this to use with the app. Then it also comes with some extra little O-rings that go onto the outlet port on this. Connecting the drain hose is actually very simple. It has a little blue button on it that you can actually kind of press, and you can slide it in over onto the outlet. It clicks on, and once it's on there, it doesn't want to come back off until you press that blue button again. That way you can remove the drain tube. Now when you plug it up, it does automatically come on and start running. Now the screen on here is pretty straightforward and simple. It does light up showing you that it is powered on, that it is running. It shows you the temperature of the air that is intaking and the percentage of the moisture. So if you hit the little menu button, you can actually cycle through some sub-menus, such as seeing how many job hours this has ran, or you can see how many total hours that this unit has ran. If you keep going through there, you'll come across a place where you can actually change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So yeah, you can look at those sub-menus. There's different settings that you can set this up for. That way, if you want it to run continuously or if you want it to shut off at a certain time, you can do all of that in the sub-menu. And when you get ready to power this off, it will start the purge process to drain the pump. And so if you want to drain it before you get ready to power it off, you can hit the manual drain button and it will drain it that way as well. So let's talk about the app. I did download the app to use with this. And whenever the app opens up, it wants you to either sign up, sign in, or just use it directly. So I'll be honest with you, I don't like signing up for a whole bunch of different accounts that maybe I'm not going to use all the time. So I tried to use this directly. I tried the setup process with the Wi-Fi, made sure the Wi-Fi was turned on in the sub menu and everything. And I just could not get this to connect to my phone or anything to be able to actually use the app. I will try again later and see if I can do something else to get it working. But from my experience, I was not able to use the app with this. But the app really isn't that important to me anyways. I will just be running this in here whenever moisture's in here. So I really don't think that I need the app. So after only a few minutes of running this here in the shop, I was actually able to lower the humidity level in here by a few percentages. So I think this is going to work great. I'm going to let this run for a couple hours or so now to try to go ahead and remove some more moisture. So I'm excited to use this more.